Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Hokkaido pork ketchup. It's a local dish of Hokkaido Sunagawa-city. Simple yet delicious, kids love it. It is a perfect everyday meal. The main seasoning is going to be tomato ketchup. So I wish you can find Kagome Tomato Ketchup because I hear from many people that the ketchup in your country doesn't taste right. Anyway, I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan. Add onion wedges and saute until coated with oil. Meanwhile, let's mix the seasonings. I wish you can try this dish with Kagome Tomato Ketchup to get this flavor right. 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sake or white wine is okay. You can add 1 teaspoon of grated garlic if you like. Mix very well. Now back to the onion wedges. Add 1 pound of shaved pork meat. Cook very well until no longer pink. Now add the seasonings and cook until the sauce becomes slightly thick. By cooking very well, you can remove the sour flavor of tomato ketchup, and it becomes really tasty. Season with salt and pepper. You can finish with a tablespoon of butter if you like. I'm using Hokkaido butter, by the way. Serve in a dish. I'm going to serve with green peppers with bonito flakes. It's my 5-minute recipe if you remember, and now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let's 召し上がれ。お弁当に入ってて食べられますか？
醤油のミルク入れていい？醤油のミルク。
醤油のお肉いいよ。
ぐちゃん